The stock market can be one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth, but it can also feel overwhelming and risky if you don't have the right strategies. In this video, I'm going to break down proven methods that will help you use the stock market to grow your wealth steadily and confidently. From selecting the right stocks to managing your risk, we've got it all covered. Stick around to learn how to make your money work for you. Why the stock market is key to wealth building. So why is the stock market such a game changer for building wealth? Historically, the stock market has delivered better returns compared to most other investments like bonds or savings accounts. Key advantages. Compounding. Your returns generate even more returns over time. Accessibility. You can start investing with as little as a few dollars. Diversification. A variety of investment options, from tech stocks to healthcare, ensures that your portfolio can weather market fluctuations. If you're willing to invest for the long term and manage your risks wisely, the stock market can transform your financial future. Set a clear investment goal. Before diving into the stock market, define your investment goals. What are you hoping to achieve? Common goals include saving for retirement, building a college fund for your kids, generating passive income, achieving financial independence. Having a clear goal will help you select the right investment strategy and stay disciplined during market ups and downs. Understand different types of stocks. Not all stocks are created equal. Understanding the different types of stocks will help you build a balanced portfolio. Key types of stocks. Growth stocks. Companies that reinvest profits to grow rapidly. Think tech giants like Tesla or Amazon. Dividend stocks. Companies that pay regular dividends to shareholders. Examples include Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. Value stocks. Undervalued companies with strong fundamentals that are expected to bounce back. Blue chip stocks. Large, stable companies with a strong track record like Apple or Procter & Gamble. A balanced portfolio often includes a mix of these stock types to maximize growth and minimize risk. Diversify your investments. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is putting all their money into one stock. Diversification is your best friend when it comes to reducing risk. Diversification tips. Invest in multiple industries: tech, healthcare, finance, etc. Include both U.S. and international stocks. Consider ETFs or mutual funds for instant diversification. Diversifying your investments helps protect your portfolio from market downturns and unexpected events. Invest regularly, not all at once. Timing the market is extremely difficult, even for experts. Instead, focus on consistency by investing regularly through dollar-cost averaging. How dollar-cost averaging works. Invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, weekly, monthly, etc. Buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and keeps your investment journey stress-free. Analyze stocks before investing. Don't just buy stocks based on hype. Do your homework and analyze companies before investing your hard-earned money. Key factors to analyze. Revenue growth. Is the company's revenue increasing consistently? Profit margins. How efficiently does the company generate profits? Debt levels. High debt can be risky, especially in tough economic times. Industry trends. Is the company positioned to grow in its industry? Taking time to evaluate stocks will help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Keep a long-term mindset. Building wealth through the stock market doesn't happen overnight. The key is to stay invested and ride out the market's ups and downs. Historical evidence. Over the past century, the stock market has consistently grown despite recessions, wars, and other global events. Investors who stayed in the market long-term often achieved significant returns compared to those who tried to time the market. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market every time. Manage your emotions. When the market is soaring, it's easy to feel invincible. And when it crashes, panic can set in. Tips for emotional control. Focus on your long-term goals instead of short-term price movements. Avoid checking your portfolio obsessively. Remember that market dips are often buying opportunities. Keeping your emotions in check will help you stick to your strategy and achieve better results. Keep learning and stay updated. The stock market is constantly evolving. Staying informed is crucial to making smart investment decisions. Ways to stay updated. Follow financial news and market analysis. Read books by investment experts like Warren Buffett or Peter Lynch. Join investment communities and forums. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the stock market and grow your wealth. So there you have it. Proven strategies to use the stock market as a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving long-term success. Remember, the key is to invest wisely, stay diversified, and keep a long-term perspective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.